Got a cab high fiberglass topper from made by Innovation Fiberglass. It's an older unit. Mostly guessing on this. It came from a Ford dealer. They said it came off a Ford truck. The measurements match that it should fit the 04 to 08 F-150. Boy, I cannot verify it because I have no way of tracing the serial number back, as Innovation's out of business. The length measures 83 and a half inches long. It's 72 and a half inches wide at the front and 71 and a half inches wide at the rear. The height on it was 22 and a half inches tall. So you check those measurements and verify it fits your truck. It's a little scratched up, but it's a little bit more of a rougher unit. Has scratches and scuffs and a lot. Some paint peeling over there on the top. A lot of paint peel. Like I said, it's a fairly old unit. Scratches down the side here. Scratches down the bottom there. Scratches, chips and nicks and all over. Just all over this top. It's got half side sliding windows in the side. Has a boot in the front window. It's a rubber boot. There's some more chips and scratches on this edge here. Some more right there. Down the side here. The rubber boot just pushes against the back of the cab of the truck and then seals off. Attempts to seal off the weather out of the bed. On this side, top, you can see a lot more of the nice scratch right there. A lot more of the peeling of the paint on the top. Some more scratches there. And just everywhere. It's not real pretty, but it'll keep the weather out. Some paint peel on the back edge there. Some scratches there. Some scuff marks. Barely read Innovation. They're out of business as far as I can tell. Innovation Fiberglass. Just chips and scratches just all over. Down through here. Way back at the beginning, looks like somebody had touched up some paint chips here, trying to keep it nice when they had it on their truck, but it's basically due for a new paint job at this point in time if you were going to make it nice again. Half side sliders on this side as well. Got a double T-handle locking rear door. Carpeted interior on the inside. Screens are in good shape. Don't see any holes on the screens on this side. Oh, there's one right there. Right there. I guess that's all carpeted on the inside. It's got the window boot front. It's got a small hole in the screen right there. That's really it. So there it is. Based on the measurements, closest we can come to is it fits the 04 to 08 F-150 with the short bed. It's dark blue in color. Just verify the measurements. We'll post them down below. Just verify the measurements and make sure that'll work for you. Thanks for watching.